I'm here in Moorea, French Polynesia, right? It has been such a trick to me to know where I'm at from every day. So yeah, check it out. My son was telling me the other day, or saying to me, that you kind of got to be a trooper sometimes whenever you're traveling for so long. And I have to admit, yes, I'm being a trooper even right now as I'm kayaking somewhere in Moorea, French Polynesia. This is freaking awesome. So anyway, check out the coral reefs or rocks or whatever. My big challenge of the day is not hitting any coral or rocks. I'm just trying to avoid that, especially the coral. I don't want to mess with the coral. And let's see, other than that, I'm looking for a nice spot to snorkel, which is pretty much anywhere. I'm surprised that I don't see a lot of fish, actually. When I first got here in the evening, I did see more fish. Maybe they go to cooler waters in the day, or anyway. I'm going to try not to worry about it. Because I'm a real trooper. Alright? You know it. My hostel is very rustic, and I still really like it. I'm up in a dorm. It was just barely like cool enough you could sleep. I mean, it was pretty warm basically. The name of my hostel is Moto Ite, and what I really like about it are these kayaks that you could just ride them. You know, it's way better than walking up and down the trail in the heat, because let me tell you something, it's super hot. Even if I had to walk to my hostel yesterday, 3.5 hours, I would have waited till dark because it's really, really hot. But the water is perfect, and I mean, it feels really good. I'm gonna go ahead and snorkel when I get to my hostel, because it seems like as good of a place as any. To check out the underwater world. There's a cruise ship over there. Looks kind of small. Yeah, there's a fish. There's some fish. I saw some yesterday too. I'm just not seeing as many as I would have expected. Okay. What else? Oh yeah, our hostel doesn't have like a kitchen, so you can't really store food. I had a huge calzone yesterday, which would have lasted me 2 days normally, but it's been sitting out all night, and I don't know about it now. I'm a happy camper at my hostel, Moto Ite, somewhere in Moorea, French Polynesia. Let's see, my butt hurts a little bit. Oh yeah, $25 a night, actually less. So you just can't get a deal like that, even for hostels in French Polynesia. Well, they're rare anyway. The hostel I had in Papete was not too much either. Or is it either? You say either, I say either. So, do you ever think about recycling? That is like just one of the thoughts that cross my mind like every day. I mean, of course there's a lot of thoughts. We play the same tapes over and over, right? All of us. Eventually they can drive us crazy, which is why, one reason why meditation is so beneficial. But I kind of wonder if recycling is just a scam in every country. You know? Like, are they really recycling, or are they just burning the rubbish, or just putting it all in landfills? Australia, New Zealand tries harder than anybody, but, you know, I guess I could do more research and find out. I'll get back with you. But okay, so a place like this, it wouldn't seem like they recycle at all, even though they do have the recycle bins. As far as the United States goes, I don't think we recycle very much either, especially since China stopped taking our rubbish. Anyway. I'm just really reluctant to go home. I already have my ticket. I had to buy a ticket, and yeah, I actually have to work. I worked my ass off to get here, so don't ever let anybody tell you that Dems don't work. Although I consider myself a progressive Dem. Ah yes, we need more of us. Google gobble, Google gobble. One of us, one of us. So, this is great. The last time I went kayaking was in Franz Joseph. And let's see, I don't know, maybe 2 months ago? A month and a half, something like that. So yeah, it was raining, it was pouring, it was cold. The last thing I really wanted to do was go kayaking. I just didn't want to do it, and I tried to call it off twice. It's like, it's raining, you're really going to take us kayaking? And they're like, yeah, so kind of like, what's your problem, chick? No, they didn't act like that. They were actually really nice, but yeah, you're gonna lose your money because kayaking is not called off. So yeah, I geared up, they put tons of clothes on me, we went kayaking in the pouring rain, and yeah, it was a blast. So is this. I gotta admit, I like this better. The water feels superb. Oh yes, we're going in. Sure, everything I brought is soaked. I hope I was wise in my packing. It feels like I'm sinking. It feels like my boat is filling up full of water. So I'm just gonna haul ass right over there